If you're a 3D artist or a game developer and you're tired of paying for assets, this website is going to save you hundreds of dollars. It's called PolyScann, and it's a free library of real-world scanned PBR textures and 3D models that you can even use in commercial projects. When I click on All Assets, I can see both textures and 3D models in one place. You don't need to register, you don't need to pay. Everything is open. These are all real photogrammetry scans, not AI generated. And if I choose textures, I only see PBR materials, while 3D models shows just scanned assets. I can also filter by categories like brick or wood, or even search something specific like a damaged wall to instantly find what I need. Everything here is real photogrammetry, not AI, and you don't need to sign up or pay anything. Let's open one of these assets. You can see the preview here, and normally 8K textures are expensive, but on PolyScann they're completely free. I can choose 1K, 2K, 4K, or 8K, and with just one click the 8K file starts downloading instantly with no waiting, no login, and no annoying ads. These assets work perfectly in Unreal Engine, Unity, Blender, and any other 3D software, even for commercial projects. So if you're serious about creating high-quality 3D work, bookmark this site because new assets are added regularly. The link is in the description, polyscan.com.